Introducing Vicks Dual Comfort Cool and Warm Mist Humidifier with Fusion Mist technology. Unlike other humidifiers, this Vicks humidifier has been uniquely engineered with Fusion Mist technology to boil water and fuse it with cool mist so you can enjoy the ideal warm mist temperature. Cool or warm, perfect year-round. During cooler months, the warm setting creates an optimal warm mist that provides an extra layer of comfort. To use the warm mist setting, press the sunshine icon. The button will be orange to indicate warmth. You have low, medium, and high mist output settings. To use the cool mist option, press the snowflake icon. The buttons will be blue in the cool setting. And again, you can adjust between low, medium, and high mist output settings. During the warmer months, the cool setting creates an optimal, cool, refreshing mist. For additional comfort, use with the Vicks Vapo Pads anytime to enjoy the soothing scent of Vicks. Or if you need medicated relief from your cough or congestion, add Vicks Vapo Steam to the heated cup in either the cool or warm mist setting. Heated cup can also be used with your favorite essential oils to enjoy the therapeutic effect. The Vicks Dual Comfort Cool and Warm Mist Humidifier is simple to use with no filters to change, 3 mist settings to choose from, an automatic shutoff and dual mist nozzles to distribute the mist where you want it. The wide tank opening allows for easy filling and cleaning, a built-in cleaning brush for those hard-to-reach areas, and an easy carry handle, making refilling the large 1.2-gallon tank a breeze. Trust in Vicks. We're here for you.